This is Nicholas from Global Heritage. Now, Global Heritage is making a bit of a splash in the Australian market with your new range of awnings, but I've heard that you're also about to release some hatches for Australian caravans.
That's correct. We were launching two hatches, so we've got 400 by 400.
4x400 hatches, yeah.
Hatches, and 7 by 500 hatches as well.
Okay.
So basically it's all designed in Europe and manufactured in Europe as well, so really slim aerodynamic shape.
Okay, is that their main benefit, the sort of the aerodynamic shape, the slimline?
So slimline
design?
is one of the main benefits. Obviously the weight is much lighter than other awnings.
Okay.
It's got integrated lighting as well.
Okay.
And one of the big benefits is like the clear opening
Oh, I see.
in the awning. So you've got an awning which is more compact on the ceiling, but with a wider opening on the inside, so more light inside of that.
So more light, integrated lighting, a slimline design, and lightweight are the sort of the major benefits of the hatches that you guys are about to bring to the Australian market.
So we try to tick all the boxes on all the advantages.